Wisconsin requires $10,000 in property damage liability. Sounds reasonable until you total someone's brand new vehicle worth 35 grand. Then you're writing a personal check for $25,000. That's the gap nobody talks about. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Wisconsin law requires, what's actually smart to carry, and what drivers are paying in Milwaukee versus Madison versus up north. Wisconsin requires 25,000 bodily injury per person, 50,000 per accident, and that 10,000 property damage we just talked about. You also need uninsured motorist coverage at the same 25 and 50 limits. Here's the thing, about 14% of Wisconsin drivers are uninsured anyway, so that protection matters. But Wisconsin doesn't require comprehensive or collision, and it doesn't require medical payments coverage. That's where the real gap opens up. Wisconsin is an at-fault state. That means if someone else hits you, you're waiting for their insurance to pay your medical bills. If they only carry minimum limits and your injuries run 60 grand, you're stuck asking your health insurance to cover the gap. That comes with a deductible, copays, the whole mess. Medical payments coverage, we call it MedPay, which is $5 to $15 a month. It pays your medical bills first, no deductible, no questions. I see this all the time in my agency. People skip it to save $10 a month and end up paying thousands out of pocket. Wisconsin winters mean ice. Deer collisions happen constantly. Wisconsin ranks top 5 in the nation. And that southern half of the state sits in a hail corridor. Comprehensive coverage pays for all 3. Without it, you're paying out of pocket when a deer totals your car or hail puts dents in your hood. Up in the north, we see full coverage premiums under $1,000 a year. Milwaukee runs $1,600 to $2,000 because of theft and traffic density. Madison is somewhere in between. People assume they can bundle homeowners and auto, get one discount, and they're done. That works. But clients ask me every week if they can raise their deductible from $250 to $1,000 and save money on collision and comprehensive. You absolutely can. That's 20 to 30% off right there. Then add a good driver discount, maybe a telematics program if you're working remote, and suddenly you're not paying the state average. But you have to ask. You have to shop. Annual reviews matter because Wisconsin rates are competitive. Call us right now at 76373-374-75. We're licensed in Wisconsin, Minnesota, and 6 other states. We can get you a quote in about 3 minutes and tell you exactly